Hello everyone, today I will introduce our new product, Telegraph Keyboard Pro. It contains one telegraph keyboard and one controller with one 12-way adapter. We will offer a Morse code table with shipment. Firstly, I will introduce the controller and the telegraph keyboard. About the controller, as you can see, here is the interface to collect the keyboard, and here is for 12-way adapter, and here collect with the 12-way EM lock. As you can see, this is a display screen, and here is a metal button. And about the telegraph keyboard, if you press a little bit, that means short D. And if you press long D, okay, next I will show you how to play this probe. Okay, as you can see, as I have pressed the keyboard, here shows the password, but our original password is 3A's, so I need to cancel this. Okay, cancel 1 and cancel E. Okay, now I press the first A's. As you can see in the table, A's means 3 short D. As you can see, the first is displayed. The second one. Okay, after I press the 3A's, here is okay, and that means the EM lock opens. About how to reset, just press the metal button here for long time. As you can see, here reset and the EM lock closed. You may ask how to set the password. Next, I will show you. Firstly, cut off the power and press the metal button and hold on. Next, power on. Okay, as you can see, here shows configuration password. Okay, I will set my new password as 5A. As you can see, 5 is 5 short D. After I press the 5 shows, and about A, 1 short D and 1 long D. Okay, as you can see, I set the wrong H, so I cancel. Okay, as you can see, my password is 5H, so I want to set password as 5A, so I need to repower it again. And press the configuration button here and repower it. Okay, show configuration button. Password 5 short D. Shows 5. And about A, 1 short D and 1 long D. Okay, as you can see, 5A shows. And I press here again. Shows save successfully, and I should enter the password again. Okay, 5 shows. Okay, A shows. So my new password has set. Okay, let us just press the button again to reset. Okay, as you can see, the EM lock closed. Okay, let me press the new password, 5A. Okay, 5 shows. A shows. The door opens. That's all. Thanks.